I wanted to talk to you today about quercetin and neuroinflammation. Neuroinflammation has been implicated in a lot of different conditions related to the brain, such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, long haul COVID brain fog. So, neuroinflammation is something that ideally we want to try to control, and there are natural supplements that can help. And quercetin appears to be one of them. So, I'm sharing right now an article published on the National Institute of Health website. And the article is from the International Journal of Molecular Science. And the article's authors are Ming-Chang Jiang et al. And basically, it talks about how neuroinflammation is a critical factor in developing and progressing numerous brain diseases, and that chronic or excessive neuroinflammation can lead to neurotoxicity, which causes brain damage and contributes to the onset and progression of diseases such as Alzheimer's or Parkinson's, and also actually it can contribute to depression as well. They've shown there's research about how neuroinflammation can be related to depression. So quercetin is a flavonoid, a plant pigment in many fruits, vegetables, and grains, and it is a component in an herb that is known to be really good for the brain called ginkgo biloba. So quercetin has been studied for its potential health benefits, including its anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, and anti-cancer properties. And quercetin may also have a positive impact on immune function and allergy symptoms. And it also basically seems to reduce cytokine cascades in the body and in the brain. And cytokine cascades are basically what cause inflammation. So it is very neuroprotective and also just protective generally in terms of preventing inflammation. So during the inflammatory response, immune cells release cytokines and other signaling molecules that can affect cells and tissues. One example of a neurodegenerative disorder is Alzheimer's. So in this article, it mentions that research still needs to be done on humans more, but quercetin has been shown to have neuroprotective effects and to improve cognitive function in animal studies. These findings suggest that quercetin may have potential benefits in reducing the damage caused by neuroinflammation and improving brain health. And it says that quercetin has been shown to have anti-inflammatory properties and has been studied in various neurodegenerative diseases such as Alzheimer's disease, Parkinson's disease, stroke, and exposure to particulate matter air pollution. Some studies suggest that quercetin may have protective effects against neuroinflammation and potentially slow the progression of these diseases. Quercetin has been shown to inhibit the activity of very specific neuroinflammatory complex, and by doing this, quercetin can help to reduce the release of pro-inflammatory cytokines and limit the damaging effects of inflammation on neuronal cells. Overall, these findings suggest that quercetin may have the potential as a therapeutic agent for the treatment of neuroinflammatory conditions and other chronic inflammatory diseases. And personally, in my personal experience, I have dealt with cases of brain fog from long-haul COVID that have responded really well to quercetin, and also to other forms of issues people have had from Lyme disease. Also, I think if someone has been diagnosed with Parkinson's disease or is trying to prevent dementia, I personally think quercetin might be a very promising natural supplement to look into. If you've appreciated this video, please hit subscribe, and I will be making more videos like this in the future.